Hey folks, Scotty B Scrapped here with the big C here. No haircut for 4 months, 5 months. Anyway, it's been a while. Hope you've been alright. Scraptastic. Let me show you what I got. This is load number 3. Until I get my GoPro, I'm just gonna have to do what I do. Yeah, she's full. And here comes the door. Anyway, there's load number 3. 2 in 1 right here. This thing was super heavy. Piece of aluminum, but it's like an awning. Basketball mat. We got all kinds of microwave in the box. All kinds of scrap. Anyway, I'm going to empty that. And I've seen a few other things, so we might as well go pick them up. I'll show you the soiree of scrap. Good to see you. I don't know if you can see that, but it says, ooh, sorry folks. You can't see it. I don't know why. $1.39, folks. $1.39.9 for gas. I think there's 4.5 liters in a gallon, so do 140 times 4.5, and there's your gallon of gas. It's insane. Trudeau, Biden bullshit, climate tax, whatever the hell is going on here, but say what you want, Trump or not. While he was in office, never hit $1 here in Canada, and now it's 140. Anyway, see you soon. Well, as I don't get too much footage because of no GoPro, I figured I'd try to do this real quick. If you can see my next victim up yonder, say hello. Yeah, to my scrap. Alright. Back again with my crappy point and shoot. There is a chair, but I believe, if I don't recall, unless it's already been sniped, we have a barbecue. Right here. Right here. So we're gonna get that. Scrap. Again, I'm back with my point and shoot camera action. I believe I saw it a couple hours ago, but I didn't want to take it at 2 in the morning. Now the garbage man's out now, so I guess I can make a little noise. But I'll just show you real quick. Yeah, I don't know. That's a twisted mess. I don't know. We'll see. See what I can do here. I don't know. Maybe I grab it. Maybe I don't. I'm back with another short clip here. I wish I could show you. Sometime in the near future, I hope to have enough money to get me a GoPro. There's some people walking their doggies. But I do believe there's a lawn chair type situation up here. That shed, I can only grab a few pieces. I'll have to go back and try to grab it when I'm empty. That's a small van problem. Or wait till 10 o'clock or something and break the old Sawzall out. But if I don't mistake, unless somebody grabbed it already, there was a chair right there. She is. See that? Boom. Ain't much, but we're gonna throw it in. All right, on to the next. We're back driving again. I want to just double check and see if what I saw earlier is still there. I can't believe there ain't. I go out scrapping all night long to beat the early morning scrappers. Virginia Park. I believe this is the street I want. Anyway, I started about 11:30 at night. It is now 6:30 in the morning, and this is the wrong street. All right, so I'll bring you for a little ride. There's a hole. Shit, shiza. I gotta get a GoPro, man. Just trying to stay afloat in this pandemic world is the key. One day, if you dream it, it shall be. I just gotta learn to save my money, not spend it on stupid stuff. And get some better videos. I can get content for days. The amount of crap I pick up, I see other people pick up 400 pounds, and I do that in a bat of an eye. Anyway, I believe it should be up here, and I can't get it now, but I'm just gonna do a double check since I'm out this way. It might be gone. It might have been snagged. Oh, these are the pallets, and it was up here. I thought. Oh, there she is. Hello, Mr. Barbecue. So, because of my curtain, I'll get some lights on here. I'm kind of full, so I don't know if I should wait an hour or unload this and come load that up. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. This is not good. I mean, there's not going to be cops around here, but you should be driving and holding the cell phone, videotaping. But when you're a scavenger and a scrapper and you do what you gotta do, man. Just be safe. Anyway, I think I'm going to unload this crap and throw that bad boy in here. I got an hour, and then I'll load it all up to oh, look at this, a fan. Okay, there, we'll zoom out, zoom in a little bit. So here's a recap. We got us a stinky dryer, bunch of chairs, just a BMX, just a mountain of scrap here, along with this little bitsky, chotsky stuff. Yeah, I can only grab a couple panels here. I hope I'll be able to go back and get it. Back here we have a little bit of non-ferrous. You know, your gutters, aluminum, stainless. There's a club I found for a lefty. Could be some resale value on that. I found this the other day. It's an artist easel. I don't know, I haven't looked it up. But yeah, so it's time to, I got half an hour till scrapyard opens. I think it's time for me to build a load. It's like playing Tetris, if you will. I'll take some of this crap out, get some of it in, load it up as heavy as I can, and send her. So This goofy hair. Maybe I'll even get a haircut today. Who knows? Anyway, I got this bad boy. Now, I'm gonna assume she's not sticky, but 9 times out of 10, it's like a pot metal aluminum pewter type thing. I'm just hoping it's brass. So I gotta put a new grinder disc on my grinder, and I'm gonna grind at it, and hopefully we got a little bit of red yellow inside and not silver. Anyway, I'll get back to you. So not the best pack in the world, but we got her in there. Yeah, hard to see. Yeah, I can't really see it. I'm not gonna open the door, crap will fall out. Anyway, I'll take video of the scale, numbers in, numbers out, and then that's it. I can't film the dumping. And then I'll be back.